Once upon a time, a man used Google Stitch to create a stopwatch web app. While it is cool, the man soon realized that the beta access could close anytime. So now, he seeks an open source and offline alternative.
Hello world! I have been exploring vibe design, the cousin of vibe coding. Turns out, there is a popular open source alternative called OpenDesign. Follow along as I try to set it up on my desktop. Before we begin, let's go through the requirements first. OpenDesign has an installer for Windows and Mac. I am not sure if Git and Node.js are still required, but no harm installing them. An AI coding agent such as Claude Code, OpenCode, or a cloud provider. A basic laptop will suffice if you are running off the cloud. If you want to run OpenDesign with a local LLM, you will need a dedicated graphics card. I will skip the installation for Git and Node.js because they are straightforward. For running Claude Code locally, check out my other video. For OpenDesign, simply download the latest version from their GitHub page. Run the installer. It does not have a valid certificate at the time of this video. You will need to manually allow it. On launching, the setup wizard will start. Since I have Claude Code installed, I will choose Local Coding Agent. You can also choose Bring Your Own Key to enter your cloud service. Just pick the default model and skip the boring part. For those of you who are running on local Claude Code, start your LLM server first. Make sure that Claude is configured to use the local model. Then, in OpenDesign settings, test the connection. You will also want to set the media providers. This will allow OpenDesign to generate images, videos, and audio. Skills is another section you want to check out. These are guidelines for the AI agent on various tasks. Lastly, go to MCP server. You can connect OpenDesign to various apps here. If you are using VS Code, copy the JSON snippet. As with the instruction, open the MCP config and paste it in. With that, OpenDesign is ready for action. Let's start with a prototype. You can manually choose a theme or let OpenDesign decide. Set if you want a wireframe or more details. For the test, we will create a dummy blog post. In high contrast, futuristic dark theme. With 2 empty image placeholders. It only took 75 seconds, but there is a glaring mistake. Apart from that, the rest of the page seems okay. If you don't like the color theme, you can switch it out. You can also highlight a region and ask Open Design to change it. When ready, the page can be forwarded to VS Code. Mine is not working for some reason, not sure if it is a bug or bad configuration. If you have a fix for this, let us know in the comments. For now, I will save the file manually instead. For the code, it is entirely done in pure HTML CSS. Nothing wrong with that. I am just curious how well Open Design works with libraries such as React Native. The structure is also pretty okay. It is a ready-to-use template that needs some small fixes and formatting. With that, we have a fully functioning Open Design. Thank you for watching. I will be testing out more of these AI coding and design stuff. So remember to like and subscribe for more. Uncle Coffee, signing off.